guys, welcome to a new video. In this video I take you to my top 5 favorite hiking places in El Calafate. El Calafate is located in Argentina, Patagonia to be precise. Patagonia is known for its stunning nature, and every route or place that we explore, I have so many moments that it takes my breath away. Can you imagine driving around for hours and only see a landscape that alternates between mountains with snow, steppe and a lake with a unique color of water? El Chaltén is actually my favorite place in Patagonia to go hiking. It's a true hiker's paradise. But are you visiting El Calafate and like to go for a good hike? Then this information is perfect for you. We start our hiking tour with a place called Lugare del Petiso. You can find this place when you follow the route towards the glacier Perito Moreno just before leaving the city center. There's an off-road path that you can follow, and from there you can walk for hours. Because it's not an official hiking place, I don't have the exact information, but I can tell you it is beautiful, quiet and has an easy level. If you continue walking for around 1 hour, at some point you can go down towards the beach. I recommend you to do that and enjoy a picnic there. The next place we go to will be found outside El Calafate, halfway the Route 11. It's located close to the Estancia Alice. There's a river called Rio Centinela, and you can make a hike following this river. It's possible to walk on both sides, and you can hike for as long as you want to. Also, this route has an easy level because it's mostly flat, but it's good to know it's not an official hiking place. On a warm summer day, you will find a lot of locals here enjoying the river and a barbecue. Cañadón del Arroyo Calafate, an official hiking place and a popular one. There are several routes that you can hike here, but my favorite one is a route towards the waterfall. It is about 1.5 hours to get there, and the level is medium to hard because at some point you have to cross the water by climbing some rocks. But I promise you, it's worth it. There's also a trail up the mountain if you like to be more challenged. If you don't feel like hiking, you can also enjoy a picnic down the water. You will find this beautiful place all the way up towards the Cerro Calafate. For the next hiking place, we go to the end of the Costanera. The roundabout is your starting point, and also in this place you can walk for hours. I don't have a name because it's not an official hiking place, but I'm sure you will enjoy it. If you follow the sand route, it's quite an easy level, but sometimes I also walk from the beach part. That's much harder because of all the rocks. In the end of this route there's a private area for the famous Balichu caves. Last but definitely not least is the Costanera itself. You can walk the whole Costanera, and that is around 17 kilometers in total. During this hike you enjoy the view over the beautiful and famous Lago Argentino and the birds that live in it. Lago Argentino is famous because it's the biggest sweetwater lake of Argentina and is approximately 20 kilometers wide. It contains melted ice from the glaciers. The area I'm showing in my video is not only a beautiful place to hike, but also a popular spot for kite surfers. Thank you for watching my top 5 favorite hiking places in El Calafate. Please like and subscribe so we can continue doing what we love.